welcome back to my channel. My name is Funke Awe. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome back again with another video. Anyway, so yeah, obviously today's video is of course about this look right here. Can never go wrong with warm tones. I mean, I'm really loving it right now. Straight right into the video. So guys, I'm just gonna start by using my concealer just to, you know, prep my eyes for eyeshadow. So guys, I'm going to be using my Zulu palette today from Juvias Place, taking that orange shade and using that as my transition color basically. Just gonna spread that around the corners of my eye. Next, I'm going to take a dark shade from another eyeshadow palette. I'll be sure to leave down all the information below. So I'm just using that dark shade to blend it into that transition color, you know, just to prep my eyelids to, you know, cut my crease. Now I'm just packing those same shades on my crease. First the brown one, the darkest brown one, and now the orange one, you know, like that. And then I'll put my main crease color. I'm going to use another shade from a different eyeshadow palette. So I'm using the Sigma Warm Neutral Volume 2 palette. I'm just going to take the creamy shade. I think that's the first one, the first shade on the palette. So I'm just going to pack that on my crease. Next, I'm just going to blend everything out with that orange shade just to make sure everything is more defined. And then I'm going to take a tiny brush using that dark brown shade basically to just define my cut crease. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm just going to go ahead and start prepping for my face. I realized that I didn't put on my lashes, so I was pissed. But yeah, I'll do that after prepping my moisturizer. So guys, I decided to use a moisturizer and not a mattifying primer because this foundation is pretty, you know, matte. It's really matte. So I just wanted to try it out because I never tried it out without using a mattifying primer basically. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my concealer. I'm using the Maybeline Age Rewind concealer. I'll make sure I leave down the shade and everything I use down below. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend that into my skin. You know, the usual. I didn't really focus too much on this, but if you like to see a video that is just based on my, you know, foundation routine and all that, I would definitely work on that and do that for you guys. Okay, so guys, I'm just basically going to set or prep my face with this powder palette before I use a setting powder, you know, to highlight or to bake or whatever. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I'm just going to take my Maybeline FitMe setting powder. I'm just going to use that to set my face and basically put that all over the areas where I know I get really oily. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And right after that, I'm just going to take my bronzer, my face definer, and just use that contour shade to basically, you know, bronze my face and just give my face a, you know, sculpt my face basically. Yeah, so I'm just gonna apply blush using that Juvias Place same Zulu palette. Now I'm contouring my nose just a little bit using those same eyeshadow colors. I'm just gonna blend that under my eyes as well. So guys, I'm just gonna spray my face with this setting spray. Like, just look at how it melted my face into my face. Look at how it toned down that powder. Anyway, next we're gonna highlight my face. I like to layer my highlight. I'm just going to use the light shade and the dark ones, just two of them. I'm just gonna put that all over my high points and the places where I love to glow basically. Now I'm using a liquid liner at the corners of my eyes, you know, just to make my eyes pop. So guys, we are done for this look, and yeah, I'm loving it. I hope you guys love it. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Comment down below what you feel about it, you know, let me know. yes guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe of course if you aren't already, and yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.